Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore the geometry behind the volume of a cone. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how we calculate the space inside a cone and, more importantly, why the formula works the way it does. First, let us identify the key parts of a cone. The base is a perfect circle, and the distance from the center of this circle to the edge is called the radius, represented by the letter r. The height, represented by h, is the straight line distance from the center of the base all the way up to the pointed tip, which is called the apex. Before we tackle the cone, remember the cylinder. A cylinder is like a prism with a circular base. Its volume is calculated by taking the area of the circular base, which is pi times radius squared, and multiplying it by the height. So, the volume is πr²h. Now, imagine placing a cone and a cylinder side by side. Crucially, let us assume they have the exact same radius and the exact same height. The cylinder goes straight up, while the cone tapers to a single point. Clearly, the cone holds less volume, but how much less? Mathematicians and curious minds have discovered a beautiful relationship. If you were to fill the cone with water and pour it into the cylinder, you would need to do it exactly 3 times to fill the cylinder completely. 1, 2, 3. This means the cone's volume is exactly 1/3 of the cylinder's volume. This leads us directly to our formula. Since a cylinder is πr²h, the cone is simply 1/3 of that. So the formula is volume equals 1/3 times pi times radius squared times height. It is that simple fraction, 1/3, that makes all the difference. Let us try a practice problem. Suppose we have a cone with a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. We need to find the volume. We have our radius, r equals 3, and our height, h equals 10. We plug these numbers into our formula. First, we square the radius. 3 squared is 9. Now we multiply 9 by the height of 10, which gives us 90. We are left with 1/3 of 90 pi. 1/3 of 90 is 30. So, the exact answer is 30 pi, which is approximately 94.2 cubic centimeters. To wrap up, remember 3 things. First, the formula is 1/3 πr²h second. This works because exactly 3 cones fit inside a matching cylinder. And finally, always calculate the cylinder's volume first in your head, then just divide by 3. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.